What's up YouTube, AVI back with another video. Have you guys ever wondered if you guys can make a copy of your key? Well, in this video we're gonna do that. Here we got my Mitsubishi Eclipse key. I wanted to make a copy just because I only have one key, and this one is looking old. It's 2003 and it has like a slight bend to it, and I just want to make sure before it completely breaks I have a spare just for like a backup. So here we are. Southington Security. You can do this at any locksmith, but we're gonna do it here just because it's local. It's only 5 minutes from my house, and we're gonna make a copy and then we'll test it out on the car, make sure it works. But yeah, I mean, this is just something you think you never can copy because you only copy like house keys and stuff. And I called and made sure, you know, making a copy of the key, they can do it, and they don't need anything like registration, nothing like that, because yeah, it's just a key. So yeah, we're gonna go do it now, and then I'll show you guys after. Alrighty guys, so it took about 10 minutes, but I'm back. As you can see here, here's the replica. She gave me a lot of info, some things I didn't know about. So this stock Mitsubishi key actually has a chip in it. I mean, if you guys know anything about keys, you guys let me know in the comments. But yeah, I didn't know that this has a chip in it, and not battery powered, you know, anything like that. So let me know in the comments if that's like a security feature or anything like that. But if it was like just a regular mechanical key, we wouldn't have to do the chip route. So that did you know, go into the cost. This costs about $90 to make, and here it is. She also told me that the old one has like a crack in it, you know, things like that. So it's kind of good we did this kind of like as preventative maintenance if this were to break or anything. So that's why I did it. And now we're gonna go and check it out, see if it starts and opens up. So, and also shout out to Southington Security. But let's get to the car. All right guys, so we're back. Here we got the old key, the new key. We're gonna put the old key in our pocket. We're gonna check the new key. Promise we didn't try anything before. This is first time. Follow me. Okay, so the door's already locked. We're gonna go ahead and see if the mechanical key works. All right, good sign. Mechanical key works. That's good for backup key. Now we're gonna see if the car starts. I haven't started the car in a month, so let's see if it even starts. All right. Good sign. I had a hard time trying to put it in the ignition. I don't know if that's going to affect it. All right. So backup key worked. If you guys are thinking about getting a spare key, I highly suggest it. Maybe you have like a key fob and you barely use a key and you just want to have that sense of security to get a spare key, you know, just in case you might lock yourself in the car